Hello my beautiful ladies, it's Greta here, ladies relationship coach, and today lovelies, let's talk about how to get your ex back. If let's say you've been acting as a doormat, doing everything for him, he has taken you for granted, he has lost a lot of attraction for you, let's say watched my videos and realized that you've been doing everything wrong and he has eventually dumped you. So how to get him back? So I thought, instead of kind of trying to sell you my video about how to get your ex back, I will share a real life story by a girl who is constantly commenting on my YouTube channel. So she's been following me, I think, for the last 6 months, and she's commenting and asking for advice on my YouTube videos so much that you can actually follow her and follow her comments and see her whole relationship situation, which is great because I'm going to share her comments with you guys and how she is implementing my advice to get her ex back and how has it worked for her. It's really cool, but it is a bit long, so get yourself some coffee or tea or anything that you would like to drink, and yeah, keep watching and enjoy it and learn from it. Okay, so here is how it goes. Greta, I'm very proud of myself. Long story short, I had a thing with a guy since March. There was always a reason he couldn't properly be with me. Fast forward and I just couldn't do it anymore. It was affecting my mental health. I told him I couldn't be friends and he either wanted to be with me in the future or didn't. I put it in less harsh than that. We were to meet and talk in New Year. Anyways, he chose to text me Christmas Day, yes, Christmas Day, to say he can't do this anymore and that he can't be with someone whose happiness depends on him. But I'm amazing, blah, blah, blah. I was in tears over Christmas. The guy dumped a girl over Christmas because she was putting her happiness on him because she did not know how to make herself happy. She was needy, she was clingy, she did everything wrong. He started losing attraction for her, taking her for granted, and then he dumped her over Christmas. Crazy. And over Christmas, yes. So here is the part I got right, I think. I read his message when he dumped her and just didn't respond. Perfect. Not to play games, but there was just nothing more to say. There was no point in even replying okay. My silence said more than anything I could ever type. The old me would have pleaded and absolutely begged, crying and pleading like a lunatic. I am so surprised at myself that I was strong enough not to respond. I didn't even feel any urge to respond. I'm heartbroken and I miss him so much. A big part of me hopes in time he regrets it, but for the first time in my life I truly see it's his loss. I can see my worth now and I see all the wonderful qualities I had to give, and he chose to walk away when I was so sweet to him. The reason for this long rant is it's thanks to you, Greta. You are truly helping me slowly see my worth. Thank you for this. Hope in your eyes I have done the right thing. It's still a long road before this caterpillar becomes a butterfly, but I will get there. Still hope he comes back though. Haha, lol, I was crazy about him. So when I saw this message on Christmas Day, it's on Christmas Day, I felt so bad for this girl, and she's been watching my videos for half a year. But as I say, to become high value from a doormat, it does take time because there are things that we need to do that we are not used to. It's hard to be logical and not follow your emotions and heart all the time. So I felt so bad for this girl on Christmas Day, so I sent her my video on how to get your ex back completely free, because I was just like, here, have it, it's a Christmas gift from me. And this is what happens next. So she watches the video and she comments, "This will now be my Bible. Needy, guilty, insecure, guilty." Good girl. Now she's on track. She just watched my video. Now she's commenting 3 weeks after the breakup. She's making a comment on my video again. "I am about 3 weeks no contact. Now after he ended things. Yesterday he unfollowed me on Instagram but left me on Facebook because he can't just unfollow me there, I guess. I was hoping he would reach out eventually, but now he's unfollowed me. I feel this is him saying goodbye for good. Don't know why he suddenly unfollowed me as I wasn't posting. So sad, but I still won't reach out." So basically she's following my advice, and 3 weeks later the guy unfollows her everywhere. So now she's shocked and confused. And she's like, "What's going on? I'm following Greta's advice. Maybe it's not working." Now this is what I replied to her. I said, "He unfollowed you. Maybe to get you to react. If you really didn't care, he would have left you there as it would not bother him." And then she says, "Thank you, Greta. You always make me feel better. That's what I'm thinking too. Maybe he thought I had seen and I text him why he unfollowed me. Because that happened before and I text him straight away. Thank you, Greta. No matter what, we will only talk again if he reaches out to me. Your videos keep me going. Thank you." Here we go. He unfollowed her to get a reaction from her, to check that she still cared, because he had no contact from her for 3 weeks. Whereas before she showed him how crazy she is about him, and now she's like gone. She's over. He's like, "Hold on a minute. Why is she not texting me? Why is she not chasing me? I just dumped her. 3 weeks, no contact. What's going on? Let me unfollow her and see, will she react?" And she didn't. He got intrigued. Now, today, I just saw this comment on my Facebook. "Greta, after 26 days or so of no contact, you were right. He came back. Well, he texted me. Still far from out of the woods yet, though. He's still showing fake all interest apart from telling me he cares about me. I told him that I still can't be his friend, so he asked if we can talk in person one day. So maybe in the next few weeks we will meet. I'm still thinking I'm gonna get hurt though. He doesn't know what the hell he wants. He said he promises he will do his best to think of all possibilities, or some crap like that. Anyways, I will stop hogging your channel. Love this video. Songs and quotes, love this video." Okay, so my advice to this lovely girl now is, first, I'm super happy that he made that first contact after nearly a month and came back, asking you back or showing that he's keen and would like to meet up. Now what you need to do is act high value. Be confident, secure with yourself, show him how much you love your life, that you're completely okay without him, and do not put him on a pedestal. Watch, is he good enough for you? Is how he is treating you is good enough for you? And act high value. No last minute, let him pursue you, control your emotions, study my ebook, like learn it by heart, how not to be needy, clingy, controlling, possessive, insecure, and so on. My ebook just right here, you can get it just here. And and when you're going to be high value, you can change this relationship completely into something very different from what it was before. Whereas like before, he was walking all over you because you let him and you didn't know how to be high value. You acted as a doormat. Therefore, he walked all over you and dumped you. Now you can change it as acting as high value and him putting you on a pedestal and treating you like a queen. Okay, so ladies, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions or you would like your ex back, I have a private video on how to get your ex back. So if you would like to see that video, please message me and I will send it to you. It is private and it's not free, just to let you know. Also, if you have a question for me, I answer the first question completely free. You can WhatsApp it to me or Skype it to me. My number is just like on this video. Skype, the number for Skype, that's no, the number for WhatsApp, my Skype name and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please press like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a beautiful day. Kisses from London.